Hi everyone, welcome back to Flamboyant Creations YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how I made these Barbie cars for a Barbie themed party. So I got these 26 Rand cars, police cars from Pep. I just needed to just remove the police sirens and the stickers off the car so that when I spray paint it, it has no bumps on it. So yeah, here I was just removing the paper, and then I also had to cover the other parts that I wanted to leave as black. So yeah, I just had to cover that, the windows at the back, and I had to cover the top part with my vinyl sticker. So I just used that to cover it up. I also covered the wheels up so that we won't spray paint them. Then I took them outside so I could spray paint. So I used the pink spray paint to spray paint the cars. So I had a blue car and I had a white car. So come to think of it, it all came out very well. The spray paint did cover the blue car as I wanted it, and it also covered the white car as I wanted it to come out. So here's how I did it. I just made sure that every side, on both sides, I had spray painted it well. So here I was just checking which sides I had to add a little bit more. And then once that side is done, I had to check in front. As you can see, I had to also add on this side. I had to add some more spray paint. Then I left it outside for a while to dry. Once that was done, I took it into the house again, and then I had to remove my vinyl sticker off the wheels and of each wheel, because I had covered the wheels so that they were not going to be spray painted. But even if they get spray painted, we have a hack for it. So once it was dry, we used our nail polish. We used a black nail polish to paint our windows into a black tint, because initially, if you saw, the police car had black windows. So we thought we should actually still go with the black windows. So we used our nail polish to paint the front window of our car. So here I'm just going to show you how I painted it. So with at least the car will demarcate where you need to paint, so you won't paint over it, because it already has like demarcations of where the window was and where the wipers were as well. So yeah, I was just painting my front window. So yeah, the black nail polish actually worked wonders for me. I really didn't think it was going to be this perfect, or you see how perfect it looked even when you saw how perfect it looked in the beginning. So yeah, here just make sure that your wipers, you don't also paint them. So this is how it was, or how it is when it's done. So I'm going to do the other one, showing you how I painted the back windows black, and also the side windows and the front window. So this is more of the detail of how you're going to paint your car to make it more realistic. So yeah, you see I just used the grooves that were already there to help me paint it. And yeah, it came out very well. I think it really came out well. Tell me what you think. And please don't forget to like and subscribe our channel, guys. And if you have any questions, please let me know. If you have any other challenges or anything that you want to ask us to do, we can actually do it for you. So yeah, here I'm just painting our windows, our back windows black. Now we have to paint the side windows. So just make sure that you don't paint over where it's demarcated for your window, so that it looks at least proper than, or it looks like it was initially. So also something that I learned that I probably didn't end up putting on my on as a video is that if you find that your wheels did get some pink paint on it, you can actually also use the nail polish. That's the hack I was talking about. You can use the nail polish to cover the wheels, or to make sure that the wheels are black. So wherever pink spray paint went, you can also just paint on it. So here I'm now doing the front front window of the car. Yeah, so you can see that it's not as hard. At least this is also a cheaper way that you can do a Barbie themed car for your centerpieces, or for your child, or for your event, without breaking the bank. Okay, so yeah, yeah, I'm just finishing up. So sometimes you can also see that when as you're using the nail polish, the pink of spray paint sometimes comes off a little. So make sure that once it dries off, you can paint over it again with your black nail polish, so that that pink doesn't come, that doesn't show. So you can see, I think from mine, that there's spaces where the pink was showing. So now I had to go over that black again and paint it again, or put a second coat, so that it looks more real and more original. So yeah, that's what you need to do, as another tip that I can give you. So yeah, I'm just doing the finishing touches and making sure that where it's not as black, I'm painting over it. Where the pink is coming out, I'm painting over it as well. So as you can see, on the wheels there was some pink residue as well. So here's the final look. You see the pink is not there anymore on the wheels. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.